Honey, today's the day. You might be chosen to participate in this year's annual freezing.
The freezing?
Yes, but don't worry. They pick one male and one female. The odds of you being picked are slim.
Okay.
Hey girl, what's wrong?
I'm scared. I don't want to get picked for the freezing.
Don't even worry about that. There are so many people. They're not gonna pick you.
Can all students please report to the main hall immediately?
The female candidate chosen for this year's annual freezing is Giselle Catherine.
Giselle, you're gonna have to come with us. Right this way.
I'm sorry, but what exactly is going to happen to me?
We're gonna be freezing your body for a week. Once the week is over, you can leave.
Only a week?
Yes, only a week.
The freezing will commence in 3, 2, 1.